All right, I'm going to try this one more time, give you a quick tutorial how to do the selfie portraits. To begin, you're going to be on the opening screen and you're going to tap Create a Presentation. Tap the white one, so you have a white background. It's going to have a couple text boxes. If you tap on each text box and hit delete, it will delete the text boxes. Second thing you are going to do is take a picture of yourself, a selfie. Tap on the plus, go to the camera, turn it around so it's front facing. I usually like to do it the tall way. Go ahead, take a picture. All right, not the best picture. I'm in a hurry, I'm going to use it. All right, there it is. It may be facing the wrong way. You may have to turn it around. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to duplicate it. You do not need to duplicate it in order to use this. So I'm going to go ahead and tap one time, hit copy, go over to the side, press and hold, and then do paste. Explain what that picture is going to be for reference in a little bit. I'm going to tap on this picture, and if you wish, if you tap on formatting under style, you can pull the opacity down a little bit, makes it a little bit easier for you to see your lines as you draw. Now I'm going to go ahead, tap on plus, hit my drawing. I usually like to start with the marker, and I do the thick or the second one. Make sure your opacity is all the way up, and I usually like doing this with a black line. I'm going to zoom in. I'm doing this mega fast. It's going to look super, super ugly, but that's okay. So I'm going to just kind of do an outline of my face, my hair. It helps if you make sure that there are no little leaky areas where the colors can kind of sneak through. And then at the bottom, make sure that that part is all connected as well. When I do the parts of the face, I usually do a much thinner line, the inside parts. And again, I just kind of do parts of it. Do my eyes. And I'm going way too fast here, but that's okay. All right, I might do a little line here, here. Do my face, my lips, etc. Pull back out, see if there's anything that I may have missed. Looks okay other than the little bump at the top. We're just going to say it's done because I'm in a hurry here. All right, now to get my colors for my drawing. If I go back into my drawings, I'm going to use my the paint tube, and I'm going to go to this color picker. And I'm going to go ahead and first of all pick a color for my skin. And you can see there's many shades of skin, so I find one that I think is a good match for what I would like. That's pretty good. And then I can go over here and tap, 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 and fill it in. Sometimes that will not work. If it doesn't work, then usually I will zoom around and just kind of do a real rough fill in like that. Got the idea? All right, I'm going to go here, pick a hair color, fill that in, pick a color for my clothes, fill that in. All right, then I usually go back and add details. And I'm going to go back, I like doing the details with a crayon. I like to bump the transparency down a little bit with this. And I can either use that picker, again, that color picker, that eyedropper, to get maybe just a slightly different, darker shade. A lot of times I'm looking for kind of like that. And so now I can zoom in and add some details in. Okay, and obviously you're going to fill in your face, your eyes, and your lips and all that. I just kind of skipped that as well. So, but that is how I do some of my shading. I will do the same thing for my clothes. I can add like the patterns over top of it. But that is a very simple way to be able to make